Reported from Ethic Radio Archive Reels. "15-year-old Sadaria Davis reported missing. Davis was last seen leaving her home in the 4200 block of West Adams with friends. Davis went missing from the West Garfield Park neighborhood from the west side of Chicago on Friday, April 27, 2018. Davis was missing for 2 weeks before she was found dead. Her friends came forward and was questioned by authorities with various explanations on how she was vanished. There were no major news outlets or report of this story. Let's get this young woman's story out there. She was only 15 years old, y'all.